Hey there! Today we're tackling a common issue that can pop up when integrating the IT FoxTec SAML package into an older service provider web app running ASP.NET 4.8 and .NET Core 2.0. The problem lies within the MetadataController class, where a type or namespace named ServiceName couldn't be found, causing a bit of a headache. Don't worry, we'll get it sorted out. Let's dive into the solution now. The key here is understanding that in version 4.11.1 of IT FoxTec, identity.SAML, the type ServiceName was replaced with LocalizedNameType. This change was made to adhere more closely to the SAML 2.0 standard. To fix the issue in your MetadataController class, update the code to reflect this change by using the new LocalizedNameType instead of ServiceName. By making this adjustment, you'll be back on track with your SAML integration. In conclusion, by tweaking the code in your MetadataController class as per the solution provided, you'll be able to resolve the issue with the ServiceName not being found error. Remember, in the updated code snippet, use LocalizedNameType instead of ServiceName to align with the changes in the latest version of the IT FoxTec SAML package. Keep coding smoothly, and until next time, remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Happy coding!